to Red Lipstick. So today I'm going to be doing a little chatty get ready with me. It's not super chatty because towards the end I was kind of fed up with my makeup and I did my eyes off camera, and then yeah, just kind of the whole video was just a flop. But if you want to watch it anyways, I do ask you guys some questions and stuff about what you'd be interested in seeing from me for my channel, things like that. So if you're interested in watching, just keep on watching. If you're gonna leave a mean or rude comment, go ahead and leave if you're gonna leave a mean or rude comment, go ahead and hit that unsubscribe and move it along. Otherwise, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna start off by using this L'Oreal lotion that I got recently. If you guys saw my haul video, I'm hoping it's not gonna be too dark because I think this is actually the kind of like light medium shade. And I'm just going to put this all over my face because that's what I pretty much do with the MAC Strobe Cream anyway. And it's supposed to be like that, where it's like a luminous moisturizer. It doesn't appear to be too dark, and I actually have fake tan on. There isn't any on my face, but you might see like it really bad on my hands and stuff. So the color should be okay. I'm getting some weird peeling, so I think this isn't working well with one of my skincare products, most likely the niacinamide, which is actually like an anti-acne serum that I use. And sometimes certain moisturizers pill on top of that, so I'm thinking that's what's happening right now. I like that it's not, I don't feel like it's as dewy as the strobe cream at all. And it did darken my face a little bit, which is fine. But I don't know, not impressed so far. And it's really emphasizing my pores around here, which is to be expected from a glowy thing like that. So I am using a pore refining primer as well. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Pore Reducing Primer. I'm going to put this around my problem areas. I'm going to try out the Fit Me Stick Foundation. We'll see how this works. I don't have high hopes for this. I have a normal to dry skin type, so I don't know how this is going to work out, but anyway, well, it's too light too. Great. Let's get into the updates here. So I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has been so kind on my skin update videos for the past 2 years. I've really been getting a lot of positivity on them lately. Ever since I posted my Bullying Stops Now video last year, I haven't gotten any rude comments on my videos. I also disabled the comments on most of my videos except for that Bullying Stops Now video, and my most recent skin update allows comments, so I still haven't gotten any rude comments really at all lately, ever since I made that video, and ever since I started saying at the beginning of my videos the thing about if you're gonna leave a mean or rude comment, I haven't gotten any mean or rude comments, so I think that's helping. I know a lot of people have said to me not to say anything to the haters or even acknowledge them, but this seems to be working. So and the point, and kind of like the main thing though, is even if like someone said to me that I shouldn't acknowledge the haters because then they know they got to me, I don't mind having haters. Actually, I kind of like it because that just proves that I'm gonna be totally lame right now and quote something from Girlfriend's Guide to Divorce and say no one truly interesting was ever universally liked. That is like one of my favorite quotes, and you're not, like, so I can't remember who said this to me, but you're not somebody unless people hate you. So you know what, I kind of like the haters, so I don't mind, and I don't mind saying that at the beginning of my videos because it seems to be working. Like, people aren't making comments anymore that are rude out of nowhere for no reason. Not that I've ever really dealt with like serious bullying on YouTube. I would just get like the occasional rude comment, but as far as that's concerned now, I get nothing. So, alright, this foundation is extremely dry looking, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist right away and see if that helps. I used this for the first time yesterday over my makeup in my BoxyCharm video, and it was absolutely beautiful. Like, it really helped make the makeup nice and moisturized looking, and it lasted all day. So I'm not loving this stick so far. It's very, very dry. It is a little bit too light for me at this point with the fake tan, but we'll bronze it up and try to make it work. I guess it looks okay on camera. My neck isn't like terribly dark, but you can see like from my hand and stuff, I'm darker than my face, so yeah, as I was just saying, I want to say thank you to everyone who's been so supportive of my videos. I want to just say to everyone out there who's struggling with weight loss or who's going through the process that I went through, you are so strong for doing this. You are an amazing person for doing this. Don't let anyone get in your way. Don't let anybody bring you down. Just do what you have to do for you. You have to live your life for yourself, not for anybody else. Because when you live your life for other people, you're just constantly disappointed. You're always worried about hurting people, and that's just not what life is about. So just know that you're doing an awesome job. If you're struggling with weight loss right now, I know the feeling. I struggled with eating disorders, and it was really, really hard. And it took me over a year to lose over 100 pounds. And I know some people who lose that much weight in like 8 months or something, and I felt really discouraged by that, because once I hit like the year mark, I was like, why am I not to my goal yet? But just try not to think that way. You are going to get there. Everyone has hurdles. Some people reach a plateau and it gets really hard to get over that plateau, but once you do, and you will be so happy and excited that you stuck with it. So I just want to say to everyone out there, good luck on your weight loss journey. Congratulations to everyone who has lost weight and who's going through maybe the skin removal or just lost the weight. Congratulations to you. It's such an amazing thing to lose weight. It's so hard, and people don't realize how hard it is unless you have a lot of weight to lose. Because a lot of people are like, oh, I need to lose like 30 pounds. That's really not that hard. It's not as hard as losing over 100 pounds. I'm not saying that losing 30 pounds isn't hard. I'm just saying that it's not as hard as losing well over 100. That takes some serious dedication. It's a complete lifestyle change, and you guys, you're doing awesome, and congratulations to everyone out there who's been through it. I want to try out today the AOA Studio White Highlighting Concealer, because this Maybelline fit me. Even though it's the lightest shade now that I got, it's still too dark for me. So I'm going to mix it and see if I can get a nice highlighted shade. Oh, it still has the plastic on it. Classy. Don't do that. Just going to use a little bit on like the inside there. And then take a brush and blend it out. That's not bad. It didn't completely cover up the darkness on my eyes, but it's sitting really nicely. It's sitting nice and hydrating looking. I'm not mad at it. So I also wanted to say thank you so much to everyone who actually watches my videos, who takes the time to sit and watch all the time, and to the people who constantly are leaving likes on my videos. You guys, I appreciate you so much. You have no idea. I can't even believe that almost 4,000 people watch my videos. Even if it's just for like the weight loss ones or the skin removal ones, I can't believe that many people are subscribed to me. When I started my channel, I was like, I can't even believe one person was watching me, because I don't know, I don't think I'm that interesting. I'm not like overly funny like some YouTubers are. I have a more kind of sarcastic personality, and I've kind of shown that on my channel, but it's really hard to do that when you're just talking about makeup half the time. But I want to say thank you so much to everyone who watches. You guys are amazing, and I can't believe that I have that many subscribers. I mean, I know it's not many compared to a lot of people, and I'm not a big deal. I never will think I am and don't think I am. I don't ever see myself getting to that point where I have like 1 million subscribers. I don't see myself getting there. But because this is not like, that's not what I joined YouTube for. I joined YouTube because I didn't have a lot of friends, and I loved makeup, and it's just something that the friends that I did have weren't into. So I really wanted to join the beauty community because it's something I was interested in, and I still am, and I love it, and I love interacting with you guys. I love all of you who leave comments. I get so excited when you guys leave me a comment, just because I love to respond to you. You guys are so sweet. So yeah, I want to say thank you to everyone who subscribes and watches and likes. You guys are the best. So I wanted to try out again the AOA Studio Perfect setting powder. I've heard so many great things about this. I liked it the first time I used it, but I haven't used it since then, so we'll give it a try again. It's just a really nice white powder. So I wanted to talk to you guys about vlogs. If you guys are interested in seeing me vlog, it's been something that I've been thinking about doing for a really long time. You guys know I have a 1-year-old son, and I've been thinking about just kind of vlogging my daily life. Now, it is kind of hard for me to do because I do work 2 jobs. I work a full-time and a part-time job, so, but I do work from home. However, I won't be able to film like when I'm working. I'll be able to film during like my lunch break and stuff like that. But I guess that's pretty normal to most people who have normal jobs. They just kind of film at night. But I don't know if you guys would be interested in seeing me vlog. Is that something that you guys would watch or not? So just let me know. I look so white because of that powder, you guys. I really am going to have to bronze it up. But my base is not looking good right now. The Milky Mist has really like saved a lot of the way that my face looks. But it's very, very dry looking, and it's doing that peeling thing from that lotion stuff. So I'm getting kind of like flaky skin and stuff. Not super thrilled with the way my skin looks, but yeah, thank God for this stuff. This is great. This is totally like saving my look right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this contour stick from Wet n Wild. This is actually more of like a bronzer. I did bring a contour stick out, the Smashbox one, which I love. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this here. We're just gonna go all over contour today because I feel like it. So that contour did bronze me up pretty well, so I'm gonna kind of leave it at that. I don't want to look too ridiculous. For a cheek product, I'm going to use another AOA Studio product. This is the Amuse Cosmetics blush in the shade Barbie. It's actually like a peach shade. I'm not sure why it's called Barbie because it's not very Barbie pink. And if I remember, it's not very pigmented. So anyways, I was also wondering if there's anything in particular you guys want to see from me. You guys know I do a lot of foundation review and demos. I haven't been doing a ton of tutorials lately just because I feel like there's so many out there. I kind of wanted to, ugh, there's a hair in my mouth, dabble more into like products that I like, things that I think are worth spending your money on, those types of videos. But if you want to see anything in particular from me, always feel free to leave it down in the comment section, no matter what video it is, and I will definitely do it. I always do everything that's suggested to me. Sometimes it takes me a long time, but I eventually do it. Granted, I'm not going to do something absolutely ridiculous, so please don't request that. Anyway, next up I'm going to apply the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo Liquid Highlighter. Probably shouldn't have powdered, but whatever. Ooh. I popped out of the container like this with the packaging around it, and it's got a giant doe foot applicator. So let's see how this goes. Ooh, is she pretty? Oh my god, that's beautiful. It's got a little bit of sparkle in it, like a little bit of glitter, but I don't mind. That is beautiful, you guys. Hopefully you guys can see it. The lighting, I'm using natural lighting today, and sometimes that causes me an issue because I'm so pale. But it's so pretty. I did bring this out to try on top. This is the Kat Von D Thunderstruck eyeshadow, and mine just broke, but I'm still going to use it. Ooh! It's a lot more pigmented than I intended. Holy crap, that's a lot of highlight. That's gorgeous as a highlight, but I'm going to have to dull that down a little bit because there's way too much on my face right now. Oh, my makeup is quite a disaster right now, you guys. When you have a bad base, it just, there's too much highlight on my face, which I never thought would be a thing, but there just is, and my base is terrible. It's very dry, not enough coverage. Ugh. But we're trucking along. Let's move on to brows. I'm going to try out this Kevyn Aucoin brow pencil today. I got this from TJ Maxx in my last haul. Okay, I don't love this. It's extremely waxy. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my brows, and then over top I'm going to be applying the Maybelline Brow Drama, and we'll see how I like that. Alright, so the brows I am not happy with. I liked the Brow Drama, but I did not like the Kevyn Aucoin pencil. It was just too waxy and too soft, and it kind of like matted my eyebrows down, so I had to comb them out and stuff, and then I was getting that peeling skin. It just annoyed me. Not enough pigment, so yeah, not a fan of that, but I did like the Brow Drama. Moving on for eyes today, I'm going to be using the Semi-Precious palette from ColourPop. I liked this from my BoxyCharm, but it didn't last very well, and it had a lot of fallout. So I'm going to try it out with actually a glitter glue today. This one from e.l.f. I like a lot. So I'm going to try that out, but use some of the matte shades from this other palette that we got from BoxyCharm. It's got a lot of oranges and yellows and beautiful reds. So I'm just going to do a quick look with this and be right back. Alright guys, so I finished up my eye makeup, and then I totally forgot I was filming, and I put my lipstick on too. So I used the shade Tea Rose from the e.l.f. line, the matte liquid lipstick. It looks very brown on me. Like, it's supposed to be like a purpley pink, but it looks super brown on me. So I am not having a good makeup day. I'm not super thrilled with this. This was a lot of new products and products I have only tried a few times, and I think the problem was mainly the base, that the foundation was just not good for my skin. It was just too drying, that stick foundation, and that just threw everything off. So I did go ahead and I put on my Laura Geller powder foundation over the top. This stuff saved the day with my face. It totally made it look a lot better coverage and less dry, and then the Milky Mist saved everything from looking super dry. The eyes are okay. I did try out the ColourPop shadows with the glitter glue, and it got kind of like crepey, and I hate the brows. I think they look terrible. Yeah, so I'm not super thrilled with this look today. But I do love the lipstick, I will say that, even though it's not quite the tea rose color that the regular lipstick formula is. It's not quite the same color, but it's pretty. So yeah, kind of a fail of a video today. But yeah, I really wanted to get your feedback on some things and ask you guys some questions and just say thank you. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video today. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.